How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly activate your Gcash Visa card from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And I should note that the Gcash Visa card does not differ that much from the Gcash Mastercard. It pretty much works the same, and the steps in incorporating or adding this card to your Gcash account are not that much different either. So let's actually read through the main key differences of the two cards. So basically, the Gcash Visa card and the Gcash Mastercard work the same. The main difference lies in the appearance, with the Gcash Mastercard having details like the card number and expiry date on the front and side, so just physical stuff. But in terms of the actual use of the card and the services, they're pretty much the same. Now, to actually add this card to our Gcash account is pretty much the same as any other platform. You'd have to open your Gcash app. So if you guys are on your mobile devices, then obviously download the Gcash app and make sure that you're logged in. So this step is pretty straightforward. Just open your Gcash app, and on the home page or dashboard, click on View All. Now this should show you all of the account configuration settings that you have set for your Gcash account. So you want to tap on Cards, and then you want to select Order Gcash Card. And this should take you to a new page where you get to select what type of card rather you want to order. So when you click on Order Card, you want to select a Visa in this case. So choose the delivery method, so it's going to be Visa, and you want to input all of your Visa card details. So basically just follow the on-screen instructions of what you need to do. So review the details of your card, and if everything is in order, you should be good to go. So tap Next, provide your address, and then tap Next again, and tap Pay. So yeah, that's pretty much all it takes. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.